boys and fly girls. Welcome to the Fantastic Funk Show, starring DJ DLB, the almighty MC Schoolie D, the 522 cut masters and MCs, shocking the house for you young ladies. Give me a custom law down by lawyers, sucker homeboys, what you come here for? It's a cold-blooded blitz. At the party, DLB, and I was shocking, I was walking to the greatest of ease. I seen a young lady, she was looking cute, and she was chilling at the party in a leather suit. And then I said, now baby, what's it gonna be? She said she wanted to know everything about me. So won't you listen. I want you listen. I want you listen. My favorite food is salad, movie actions of a mouse. My father's name is Jesse and my mother's name is Alice. When I was a baby, I thought that I was crazy. All I did was sit the gym and smell the daisy. But then my Roman eyes, checking out her thighs, the zipper on my pants was starting on a rise. The sweet young thing said I'm going too far, and so I told the fine freak to meet me by my car. And when I got outside, got my Cadillac, I told the young lady to lay down in the back. I got a little closer, I knew it was a gag. What I thought was a girl, was nothing but a fag. Listen. Cold weather bliss, walking through the place, Mesa on the bass, hands on my feet, Dells on my face. You know that you can bet it, you think the scope is set it. I tell your homeboy you can never get wetted. Cause when I write rhymes, I never misstate it. And when I cut a record, I'm fully compensated. And when I'm on the mic, you know my rhymes are on. I make a sunny day from out a thunderstorm. And when I rock a beat, you know I make the jam. One deaf MC, one for Mike in the sand. The ultimate lover, the microphone brother. I tell you baby down, cause there is no other. On God creation, I'm shocking all nations. You got into the party by invitation. Won't you listen. I want you
Festa da Cidade. Uma festa no seu rádio.
Festa da Cidade.
Produção e mixagem DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
Like a first time fashion, school with the rocky mind, 98 to 89. Tell me, girl, be my thumb down to the ground, do without a sound. Say, girl, I'm a scroller, busting nothing to your word. Mars jumping, never napping, rocking, rolling, lifting, strolling, sabers, happing, hands and clapping, feet stopping, on, rocking, party, shaking, booty, taking. I'm a man, it's no mistaking. At the bottom, at the top, I can make your body work. Communication with a nation, I'm about to duplication, aviation, deviation, super duper, corporation, communication, rapperation, right the mic, the hesitation, motivation, domination, rapping, creation, rapping, son of a gun.
bad man, that's what my father told me. Yeah. Bear with me until it's gone. Uh-oh, I feel another one coming on.
Understand?
1, 2, 3, 4. Uno, two, tres, four. Do it. Do it. Just
and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. They just came from off tour, and they want to tell you a little story about where they come from.
You love to hear the story again and again of how it all got started way back when. The monument is right in your face. Sit and listen for a while to the name of the place. Hip hop was set out in the dark. They used to do it out in the park. Every place they said his name, it rang an alarm. Otherwise known as me, T-Tom. A brother who's known for his rap, Jabby Jack. Larry Ladd, third least not last. A cool brother by the name of Gas. Face Brothers made you get loose. They was down with a brother called Cousin Bruce. They used to jam in the center. You had to pay so you could enter. Go to the door, get frisked just in order to get in. And if you wasn't from this town, then you couldn't fight and win. But every time they had a jam, they couldn't get no peace. So that's why the jams out there in the parks they had to seize, cause you was in the break. Why don't you wise up, show all the people in the place that you are bright. Make this here one jam that you do not start no fight. Cause that is one thing that we all must see done. And if you start some shit, your ass had bet to run. Cause you're in the break. Dead dreams, bought and sold. You gotta try and receive your goal. However you do it, however you may. Don't never listen to what nobody says. Cause stop rocking. The bridge will keep it rocking if the beat start rocking. The bridge will keep it rocking till the beat start rocking. The kids keep it rocking till the bridge stop rocking. The kids will keep it rocking and the bridge stop rocking. The bridge will keep it rocking if the kids stop rocking. The bridge will keep it rocking till the beat stop rocking. The kids will keep it rocking.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. They just came from off tour. They want to tell you a little story about where they come from. They just came from off tour. They want to tell you a little story about where they come from.
DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
My girls feel the groove. Homeboys bust the move. I'll beats and rhymes you can't resist. Bust this.
tonight. We got a rap we think will make you feel right. It ain't no problems, baby, as you know. The curtain's open, so we're gonna start the show. So girls, don't you worry. Don't you think about the things you might have left behind. So girls, won't you hurry? Cause you TFO MCs are full of beats and rhymes. Our raps to share the light. Some say it's dynamite. I think that they're alright. Who am I to say they're wrong? We dress impressively. We do it knowingly. And if you wanna be with me, then come along. If you thought that was fresh, what's this?
Aqui toca só as melhores.